Hello guys, finally got the phone call I've been waiting for. We're out here in beautiful Thailand and we're finally gonna get the toy I've been waiting for a long time. It's the DJI Mavic Mini. And today we're gonna take it for a test spin out on the sea. See what we can come up with. Okay, so been waiting for a while now. Lazada called us this morning about what, 8:44. Said they'll be here in 15 minutes. Now let's check what time it is. It's about 9:56. Right on time as per usual, Lazada.
1 hour later.
It's finally here. Here we go. Here we go. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Finally got the package. I was so excited I forgot that we have to film me unwrapping it. Sorry guys, I didn't unwrap it in front of you. But here is the plastic that used to cover this. Fancy. And here was the box it was in. Here we go. We have here the box. Inside, what have we inside? Oh my god, this thing is tiny. Look at it. Jesus, it's the size of my phone. All right, so we got the actual drone. Then we have the controller. What's this? Is this something interesting? Oh, it's just looks like propellers, a USB cable, some other cable. Find out what that is later. A screwdriver. All right, unfortunately, because the delivery guy came about 2 hours late, it's too hot to go fly now. So we're gonna wait till it cools down, figure out how this thing works, and we'll test it out in a few. Rita, where are we going? To do what?
There's the door.
Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. You see the C? You want to see the D? Just joking. Okay, so here we go. Still unpackaged. First time flying ever. Let's hope we don't crash it. Installing control sticks. 1 stick, 2 sticks. Whoa.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, there we go. Always the last one, right? Murphy's Law, the last cable. Part 2, opening the aircraft. Oh. What? We cannot connect. Wait, the register now. Oh, it's activated. Okay, we're gonna need to update. All right, so right off the bat, we already have a problem. You need an SSD card in order to fly this thing. Otherwise, it won't record. It can record, however, onto your phone, but then the quality gets reduced to 720p. Now we have to update the software, and hopefully afterwards we'll have a chance to fly. Okay, I saw somewhere online that I should probably calibrate it. Calibrate the actual aircraft, if I can remember how. How tall is this tree? It's definitely less than 70 meters, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I gotta calibrate the compass. I saw this somewhere. I gotta start. Rotate the okay, here we go, check me out. We're good to fly.
It's so funny.
I know. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. I think I'm good to go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and... a long, long hour of trying to get this thing to fly. Let's go higher. That is beautiful. Oh my God. Alien. We made it. Okay guys, so we moved off the beach now. It was a little bit too noisy there for me to tell you guys this, so my first time flying was a complete success, better than I thought. So a noob can fly this drone. The only thing I would recommend is definitely getting the Fly More combo. I made the mistake of getting just the drone itself, and after about 25 minutes of flying, or even less, the drone's battery drained and we were down to about 30%, and then the drone wanted to fly back home. So that was definitely not enough time for me to play around with it. And I'm gonna have to end up buying the separate batteries, which is gonna cost me the same amount as the Fly More combo would. And with it, you would probably get a lot more value for your money because you'd be getting the propeller protectors and the case and other things as well. So I kind of regret just buying the drone itself. Otherwise, I had a good time. Also, like I mentioned before, don't forget to get an SD card and make sure it's compatible with the drone itself. Luckily, we had one inside our Android phone. We were able to stick it in and get it going. But otherwise, the drone will only be able to record in 720p. Overall, it was a good time. I really had a fun time. I would recommend this drone for anybody starting out. It's very light, compact, and it's just a lot of fun. So I'm gonna try it out and see what I can learn then next week, and we'll come back and see what I've learned and I'll share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in a week.